In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to replace a clip in the timeline without losing its effects and properties, which means keeping all your adjustments like scale, position, color grading, and other effects intact while swapping the footage. This is very useful when you've already applied effects and later decide to use a different version of the same shot. Let's begin. First, go to your timeline and identify the clip you want to replace. Now go to the project panel and select the new clip that you want to use as the replacement. Here's the important part. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, drag the new clip from the project panel directly onto the old clip in the timeline. When you release the mouse, the old clip will be replaced. All effects, motion settings, scaling, opacity, and other properties applied to the original clip will remain intact. Only the source media changes. This method works best when the replacement clip has similar dimensions or aspect ratio. This is much faster than deleting the clip and reapplying all effects manually. And that's it. You now know how to replace a clip in the timeline without losing effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.